This is a small quantity of natural placer gold from Alaska. It is naturally occurring gold that miners find in the creek bed or in the ground, and they gather it up. And I bought a small quantity here. It's 31.2 grams. We transfer that into a melt dish and take it out on our melt table. I'm going to melt this up into a button so that we can do some tests to find out what the concentration of gold is in that button. I lost a little bit of weight during the melt from some dirt and black sand and so forth. We're going to take some carat testing acids and test the carat of the gold to determine its concentration. And then we'll calculate how much silver we need to add to that button to incord it properly with some sterling silver. Here I've got about 62 grams of sterling silver that we're going to add to the button to incord it. Adding silver reduces the gold content, and then we can pull the silver back out with nitric acid boils. Here I'm going to take a graphite rod and stir the alloy to make sure we get a smooth alloy. And we're going to pour it into a metal container of water to form granules of 6K gold. Now that we've added silver to reduce the gold content down to 6K or 25% gold, we can use nitric acid boils to remove all of the silver that we added, plus any silver and base metals that was already in the placer gold. We can tell when this process is complete when we get an absolutely colorless solution. Now that we've got all the silver and base metals dissolved out, I add a little bit of hydrochloric acid, put it up on the heat, add a pinch of sulfuric acid to precipitate out any lead. Then we add concentrated nitric acid to form aqua regia in the beaker. The aqua regia will dissolve the gold. After about 30 minutes, all the gold has dissolved. We pull it down off the heat to cool it. Add some ice to cool it further and to precipitate out any silver chloride. Then we pour it through a filter paper to remove all of those solids. Once the filtering is complete, I transfer the clear filtered solution to a clean beaker. Now that we've removed all the impurities, we use some sodium metabisulfite to precipitate pure gold from our gold solution. It takes about just a few minutes for the gold to settle completely. I pour off the waste solution into a container and save it. It may have a little bit of precious metals in it. Next, we transfer the gold to a melt dish, move it over onto the melt table, and we start to melt so we can pour it up into a small pure gold ingot. Here is our final product, a bright, shiny, brilliant bar of high purity 24K pure gold. There's just absolutely nothing like it. Throw it up on the scale, we got 22.9 grams out of the 31.2 grams that we started with. High purity gold. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching.